What if time travel was possible? The very thought ignites both fear and fascination, because time is not just a line we follow. It is the thread that holds our existence together. Imagine standing in front of a machine, its surface humming with quiet energy. A device that promises to send you not across oceans or continents, but into the past or future. The temptation would be overwhelming. Who would not want to peek into tomorrow's secrets or correct yesterday's mistakes? The first step through such a machine would feel like walking into a storm of memories and possibilities. Suddenly, the air around you thickens. Light bends in strange ways, and your body feels both weightless and unbearably heavy. Then, silence. You open your eyes, and the world has shifted. Perhaps you find yourself in ancient Rome, standing among marble columns, while the sound of chariots echoes down cobblestone streets. You might be wearing clothes you do not recognize, surrounded by people who see you as one of their own. In that instant, you are both visitor and intruder, part of a world that was never meant to know you. But traveling to the past is dangerous. The smallest action, a word spoken, a coin dropped, even a glance held too long, could ripple outward and reshape history in ways you cannot predict. Maybe you save a stranger from an accident, only to learn later that the person you rescued was meant to be forgotten, and now their descendants alter the future in unimaginable ways. Or perhaps you choose to witness your own ancestors, only to realize that the story passed down through generations was never as simple as you believed. The past is fragile, and every touch leaves a mark. The future, on the other hand, offers both hope and horror. Imagine stepping forward 300 years. Cities may rise into the clouds, built with technology we cannot yet dream of. Their streets alive with artificial intelligence that no longer serves but rules. Humanity might spread across the stars, claiming worlds as easily as we once claimed new lands on Earth. But what if you step out and see only ruins? What if war, climate, or greed has burned everything down, leaving only silence and ash? The future is not a fixed promise. It is a gamble waiting to unfold, and time travel would reveal the cost of our present choices. There is also the question of morality. If time travel existed, who would control it? Governments would see it as the ultimate weapon, a way to rewrite wars in their favor, or erase enemies before they are born. Corporations could use it for profit, monopolizing events to ensure endless wealth. Even individuals would find themselves torn. Should they go back to save a loved one, even if it means risking the collapse of the world they know? Would you resist the urge to prevent your greatest regret, or would you gamble everything for a second chance? Some theorists say time resists change, that it corrects itself like a river returning to its path. In that case, perhaps no matter what you do, history bends back to its original shape. Others argue the opposite, that each change creates a new branch, a parallel universe where consequences live and grow. If so, then time travel would not only move you across moments, but also across realities, creating endless versions of yourself scattered through infinity. Somewhere, you succeed. Somewhere else, you fail. Somewhere, you never even tried. Ultimately, the question is not only whether time travel is possible, but whether it should be. Time gives meaning to life, precisely because it moves forward, unbroken and unstoppable. Every joy is sweeter because it is fleeting. Every decision heavier because it cannot be undone. To bend time is to challenge the very essence of what it means to be human. Perhaps the real danger of time travel is not that it changes the past or reveals the future, but that it steals the present, the one place where we truly exist. So, what if time travel was possible? Maybe it would open endless doors, or maybe it would trap us in an infinite maze. But for now, time remains a mystery, ticking forward in quiet defiance. And perhaps that is exactly how it should be.